Here's a 2018 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Sync Connect remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver knows, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.